So you know you want a pair of Wiley X glasses with a removable foam gasket, but you're not sure which ones are gonna fit you.
Watch this video to find out.
Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx.
And I'm Karen from Wiley X.
Today we're gonna go over the entire climate control series from Wiley X, from biggest to smallest to help you figure out which pair is gonna be the right size for you. But real quick, if you want even more information, check out the blog below for even extra content. All right, Karen, you guys make a lot of really cool climate control glasses.
Thank you. We like to think so.
I think real quick, we have a whole video on what climate control glasses are, but just real quick, those are the glasses from Wiley X that have the removable foam seal, which is really handy in case you're motorcycling or in a lot of dust, debris kind of area, and you want to protect your eyes from air as well as sunlight and UV and all that stuff. Is that about right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything where wind, dust, or debris can get into your eyes, the Climate Control Series glasses are perfect for that.
Okay, so let's just go right into the fits. So we're gonna start with the biggest pair, which is called the Titan. And I have a pretty big head, so I'm like a large to extra large head, maybe even a true extra large. I would say the Titan is like a double X to extra large. This thing is big. I mean, if they're big for Sunglass Rob, then they're big glasses. And I feel like they're almost too big for me.
I have worked for Wiley X for 15 years, and that is the largest frame that we have ever manufactured.
Awesome. So the Titan is so big that if you want to get it in prescription, you have to get it with the special ring adapter guy, which we do have at SportRx. Even if usually that adapter is saved for people with high prescriptions, but if you really have to have the Titan and you need it in prescription, you can only get it with the ring. The rest of them you can get prescription directly into the lenses. So the Titan is the biggest, and that's for the biggest of all heads. I actually think the next two probably fit me a little bit better. This one's the Boss. I think I just like the name.
Like the Boss.
Yeah, really comfortable. Again, a pretty big pair of glasses, but not Titan big, just Boss big.
Yes.
Yeah.
That frame's got a really good fit. It's one of our more popular models. It does fit a lot of faces.
I like this pair of glasses a lot. And then you go to the Tide, which is going to be a little bit more rectangular shaped. It's kind of almost like a small Titan, but still not a small pair of glasses. Like
that one fits you also?
They fit me really, really well. So this is going to be like the extra large, big head corner of the world, Titan Boss Tide. And then there's going to be kind of more like, we're going to go a little bit kind of smaller in order now. I'd still call, this is the Enzo, kind of like a medium to large. It's kind of like, you don't have a huge head, but you're not average. You're just kind of got almost a big head. Then I think you're going to go the Enzo. I think we're getting to a place where they still fit me, but they're starting to
get a little narrow
small for me. We're going to switch over to you in a minute.
Yep.
So then it goes over to the Wave, and the Wave is a little bit smaller. Has thin temples, really comfortable. Again, the removable side shield. Starting to feel small.
A little small.
Why don't you try it on the Wave?
For me, probably still a little big.
Yeah, you're
I've
obviously a girl,
face.
and I have a petite face for a girl, so maybe we needed a third person in the middle here with average, but.
Although comfort-wise, for me, this actually feels really good.
Really?
It might look a little large, but it does feel comfortable.
Okay,
So.
and then probably right in the middle of all the mediumness, fits almost that middle of the bell curve, 80% of people, is the Gravity. This is, I would call it just like a true average medium.
Yes.
I'll put it on again. I do feel like it's a little small for me, but this pair of glasses, I think it's our best-selling Wiley, one of the best sellers.
Bestseller in the Climate Control Series line for us for quite a while. This frame's been out for quite a few years.
And it's a beautiful frame, super durable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, that one works really, really well. And then you're gonna go a little bit smaller and even a little bit older. The Brick's been around since like 10 years.
That was one of the first frames that we launched in the Climate Control Series, and it is still around today.
So there's the Brick for you. And then the Brick, when the Brick came out, the Airrage came out too. So this is another oldie but goodie.
Yep.
And now we're going to like small. So I would call this
is more in my range.
Yeah, small to medium, or actually just like a small frame, the Airrage.
Yes.
A lot of people like that small little look though. Like even though they might look small, people like just they only cover your eyeball kind of socket. It's kind of a style. Yeah, so that's the Airrage. And then the smallest of the smallest is the Sleek.
Which you can actually get in purple, which is a little more feminine. This frame also comes in black too.
Okay.
So can be worn by a man or a woman.
Yeah, now that one
Now.
fits you. That's your one.
Yes, this would be the smallest frame that we make in the climate control series.
All right, so we went from biggest to smallest, hopefully help you figure out which one you think is gonna fit you. If you're still not sure, you're very welcome to email info@sportrx.com or put a comment down in the comment section or pick up the phone and call us. We're old school a little bit. We have actual real human opticians on the phones that know the Wiley X line really well and can ask you a few questions and kind of steer you towards the pair we think is gonna fit you the best. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, we'd love a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Later.
Bye.